Hello crypto people, again my name is HB known as HBB Wolf and my YouTube channel. In today's video review, it's all about ApolloX.
Of course guys, we are now live in the website of ApolloX network. So first thing first guys, hopefully you will learn a lot about my discussions. And again guys, you can follow them through their Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Medium, and Reddit. Okay, and as you can see here, the countdown of their pre-sale is still going on and 3 days remaining. If I were you guys, join and grab the bonus of ApolloX. As you can check here, they have reached also already the angel round, and I know later on they will also exceed in their soft cap. Hopefully, I believe they will also reach the hard cap. So let's support this brilliant platform of e-commerce. Okay, all you do is click and join this pre-sale button. You will go directly to this page. Okay, just provide all the information required and submit the form. Another important thing is, if you want to know more about the detailed information, just click this white paper. Okay, this is the white paper guys. And as you can see here, ApolloX is an empowering, decentralized global e-commerce platform for building a decentralized e-commerce application guys and services on blockchain. They are using tokenization and decentralization. You know what? They want to replace today's rent-seeking enterprise with a new model of complete shopping protection, data, security, and minimal commission. So based on my research guys, as well as for what I have read in the white paper of ApolloX, and according to the graph of sales in US trillion dollars of e-commerce, 246.15% is the total growth of e-commerce industry from $1.3 trillion in 2014 to $4.5 trillion in 2021. I'm sorry. That's really big guys of the e-commerce industry. Amazon and eBay, they are one of the two good examples of e-commerce that are most established and powerful e-commerce in the world now. They are using a centralized platform with tested and proven technologies. And for additional information guys, there are two types of e-commerce business. So we know already that ApolloX is a decentralized. So however, we cannot hide the fact that e-commerce business model is also experiencing a lot of problems. So for example, the problems is like a centralized e-commerce. That's the eBay and Amazon. They are encountering like transparency problems, fairness, security, and expensive fees guys. Another problem is the online shopping problems. We encounter this other seller sometimes, and of course I also experienced this customer report of receiving poor quality products, and sometimes I fear of being scammed guys in online. So with this type of challenges, we already know that if there's a problem, there's a new solution. So you know what? Through ApolloX, the first global decentralized e-commerce platform, a blockchain-based technology using great protocols and features that will help to solve the current problems of the e-commerce industry. Wow guys, I really love this platform. They are using a decentralized. So meaning to say guys, ApolloX is a e-commerce, and they are using this blockchain and smart contracts. We know the power of that. You know the advanced cutting edge technology of that blockchain and smart contracts. We know that they can secure and they can provide fairness and transparency. Okay.
Talking about their ICO ratings, they have good ratings that is well on different kinds of rating platforms like ICO Bench, ICO Marks, ICO Holder, and Track ICO. If you are in the investor side, I know that you will also believe that this project will be successful later on. Another good thing about the solid foundation of ApolloX platform is that currently they have 1 million users and 15 million annual GMV, thanks to its strategic partner ApolloX. Over 200 global brands and online shops have become members of ApolloX decentralized marketplace since the announcement of ApolloX platform. We expect to have more than 1,000 stores before the platform's official launch. This makes ApolloX the world's first decentralized marketplace with 1 million users. Wow, that's really amazing. Of course, guys, what is ApolloX? ApolloX is a decentralized ecosystem connecting buyers and sellers with trust and efficiency without information silo and commission fees. And the ecosystem has 3 building blocks, okay? The first one is the shops powered by ApolloX. What is this? Independent web stores and a decentralized marketplace built with ApolloX protocol. Another building block is the ApolloX protocol, a protocol layer that makes it easy to build decentralized e-commerce applications and services on blockchain. And the last thing is the ApolloX community, a fast-growing community of manufacturers, sellers, customers, service providers, and technologies. Community members contribute and get rewarded for providing value to the whole community. Alright? Of course, guys, talking about why decentralized e-commerce. Why should we? Alright? So the first thing is, we will talk about the trust is the most expensive commodity. For a centralized e-commerce, guys, pay excessive commission for endorsement. And for a decentralized e-commerce, guys, smart contracts and community arbitration provides trust at a zero cost. See the difference, guys, okay? And another thing is, data monopoly brings unfairness. For a centralized e-commerce, guys, consumers lose private data and sellers face unfair competition with marketplace platform. And for a decentralized e-commerce, guys, transparent data access controlled by both consumers and sellers. And the last thing is, for why should a decentralized, aligning incentives for platforms and users. So these are the difference. A centralized e-commerce platform prioritize profit over the value of each user's interest. And for a decentralized e-commerce, tokenization align the incentive between a platform and users and promote healthy growth. Alright, that's the difference, guys, about why should a decentralized e-commerce are really great, okay? Alright, guys, talking about the 5 protocol elements of ApolloX, the first thing is the attribution protocol, as you can see here. Rewards community for referral traffic and affiliate sales. Second thing is the payment protocol. Securely transfers payment between buyer and seller to prevent frauds and accelerate turnarounds. Third thing is for the reputation protocol. A trustable review system for products and sellers rewards authentic high quality reviews and penalize fraudulent behaviors. That's really amazing, guys. And another protocol is Oracle and Data Protocol. Trustable data I/O between ApolloX platform and external applications to amplify the value of data in ApolloX platform. Arbitration Protocol resolves dispute in a transparent and efficient way through stake and challenge with rewards. And the last protocol is Community Build Protocol. Soon all ApolloX members can build their own protocols that will best serve and advance ApolloX community. So that's really amazing, guys. So the 5 protocols of ApolloX makes them unique with other platforms out there because of the brilliant, tested and proven functions that work efficiently to the participants involved. So what I really love about ApolloX, guys, is the arbitration protocol. Resolves the dispute in a transparent and efficient way through stake and challenge with rewards. Alright. Alright guys, talking about the ApolloX token economy, ApolloX token APXT is designed to facilitate transactions within ApolloX ecosystem and promote positive contribution to the community. So as you can see here, there are multiple ways for each role to earn and spend APXT in the ecosystem. The buyers, the sellers, third-party services, providers, support member, and affiliate member. So first one is earn for sharing social accounts. Customers can earn APXT by opening accounts and connecting social networks. Another thing is pay for services on ApolloX network. Sellers need to pay for platform service fees such as advertisements and search ranking with APXT. So another thing is rewards and affiliate program. Members bring in affiliate traffic, earn APXT as reward for affiliate orders. And the last thing is perks for members holding APXT. Premium members who hold APXT tokens receive perks such as a discount in purchasing free service. So these are the ecosystem of ApolloX token. Alright?
First guys, talking about a token sale, they will host 2 stages of token sale for ApolloX tokens. And this early September, this will be the pre-sale period, and the pre-sale bonus will be 20%, and they accept Ethereum and Bitcoin for the currencies, and 35% will be the number of tokens, as you can check here, and this is the exchange rate guys, okay? So you can use Bitcoin and Visa and MasterCard to join their pre-sale whitelist, okay? So, as well as minimal transaction amount, okay? So this is the distribution of tokens, the percentage, and as well as the use of proceeds. Alright? Of course guys, one of the important things that if you're willing to invest in the ICOs out there is by checking the roadmap. As you can see here, ApolloX started last November of 2017. And the good thing is, the ApolloX will be released in that year. And they have a $1 million monthly sales. And this coming October 2018, the ApolloX front-end system beta version will also be released. As well as in December 2018 as well, they have released the alpha version and will be running on distributed nodes. And what I'm really excited about is in the 2020. ApolloX will become a fully decentralized service. And for me, this serves a better reason for us to trust the project of the ICO platform of ApolloX. Alright, talking about the team behind. The founding team are from MIT, Stanford, Tsinghua, Google, and UL Rubbermaid, with extended experience in cross-border e-commerce and blockchain infrastructure. They are backed by reputable venture capital from US and China. And you know what guys, the founding team are composed of 10 well-experienced executive professionals that has proven results to their own fields of expertise. You can check their profile by following them through their LinkedIn. And you know what? Of course guys, in order for the team to succeed in this kind of platform, they have 7 great advisors that are also founders of the other famous companies out there, okay? As well as advisors as well. So you can also check their LinkedIn as well, and by just clicking this icon on the LinkedIn on the bottom part, okay? Of course, this platform behind will not be fully launched if they don't have a trusted investors. I know that Hovan, Amilo Capital, and Forge Lab investors are really convinced in the vision of mission of ApolloX platform. That's why they have invested. Third thing is, we are also being featured to the 16 famous media coverage out there. Meaning to say guys, ApolloX, there's no question, they have a great platform, okay? This is the last part guys. You can contact ApolloX by joining the Telegram, as well as email them at contact@ApolloX Network, as well as visiting this address. You can stay updated by just subscribing your email down here. So, I will conclude guys, through ApolloX platform, e-commerce industry will grow a lot bigger because of the advanced cutting-edge technology they use. I hope guys you have learned about my review of ApolloX, and thank you so much.